Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Mermaid in Microsoft Loop step by step. This allows you to create diagrams such as flowcharts, sequence diagrams, and other visuals directly inside your Loop workspace. Let's get started. Microsoft Loop is a collaborative tool that allows teams to create shared pages, components, and workspaces in real time. Mermaid is a text-based diagram tool that lets you create diagrams using simple code-like syntax. By using Mermaid, you can quickly generate diagrams without using external design software. Step 1. Open Microsoft Loop. Go to the Microsoft Loop website and sign in with your Microsoft account. Open the workspace or page where you want to add the diagram. Step 2. Insert a code block. Inside the Loop page, click where you want the diagram to appear. Type a / and search for Code Block. Select the Code Block option. Step 3. Set the language to Mermaid. After inserting the code block, look for the language selector. Change the language to Mermaid so this tells Microsoft Loop to render the diagram using Mermaid syntax. Step 4. Write the Mermaid diagram code. Now type your Mermaid diagram code inside the block. For example, a simple flowchart might look like this. Graph TD. A. Start. Arrow. B. Open Microsoft Loop. Arrow. C. Create diagram. Arrow. D. Finish. Once entered, the diagram will render automatically. Step 5. Adjust and edit the diagram. You can edit the text anytime to update the diagram. Mermaid will automatically regenerate the visual whenever you change the code. Step 6. Collaborate with your team. Since Microsoft Loop is collaborative, your team members can also edit the Mermaid diagram in real time. This makes it useful for brainstorming workflows, planning projects, or explaining processes. Tips for better diagrams. Use clear labels for each step. Keep diagrams simple so they are easy to understand. Use flowcharts or sequence diagrams depending on your use case. And that's it. That's how you use Mermaid in Microsoft Loop step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.